Hey y'all. So excuse my disheveled appearance. I've been outside. I just planned on doing like a couple morning chores and then my world has stopped. So I came across some things that I thought would be helpful to share. So here we go. In case you've never seen the little borers that eat the tops of your corn, there they are. They can come in different colors and they attack your corn. They eat off the corn just at the tips. Little devils. So this is the kind of damage you get from corn earworms. See if I can get it to focus here. Yeah, that's damage from corn earworms. I found 2 of them today. It's kind of a downer. So I'm definitely not going to waste my corn. I just cut the tops off. When I go inside, I'll cut the rest off. Because especially on this one, like if you notice, it's a pretty big piece of corn and it's not that much damage. So look how pretty this is. This is the ambrosia. So I'm going to cut it off and I'm going to eat it anyway because I waited so long for this corn. I'm definitely going to be more vigilant about spraying with BT or using the diatomaceous earth because I feel like I was doing really good in the beginning, but then I got pretty small husks of corn for my first harvest and I got a little discouraged, and then you see what happened. I ended up with pests. So BT and diatomaceous earth I think could be the best solution. I've got a couple more ears of corn that I opened them up a little bit and checked down inside. They're definitely not finished. They don't look like they're being traumatized by any pests, so I'm pretty hopeful for the rest of the corn, and I'll definitely be doing some research. So I 100% did not do enough research on how to grow corn this year, and I can tell by like the trouble I've been having getting them to pollinate. Now I have pests, them getting I think some type of mildew or some type of disease. I don't know. It's been a deal with this corn. So that's a that's a tip to definitely try to figure out what you're doing before you do it, because corn takes a really long time. So it really kind of stinks that, I waited all this time and there was a giant bug in my corn. So if anybody can relate, I feel your pain. Corn earworms. So not everything has been a complete loss, and that's about it for today. Just wanted to show you the things I was dealing with. So see you in the next one.